sinking in. It's the last step. Alright. Where's gloves? Okay. Oh man. When you know it? I don't even have a battery out here. What the heck? Alright, well it looks like. Yeah. Very careful. Okay, it's locked in because it's a motor, so you can't do anything with it. Hold on. I'm gonna get me a battery. Let's see if we have success here. So I'm back. I have my 40 volt. So this is the adaptation of a 14-inch Oregon to a Worx brand that had a 12-inch. So here we go. Let's see if she spins. Oh my word. Oh wow. No kidding. Whoa. Wow. There you go, boys and girls. I know, and those of you that have been watching the pollen chainsaw, that'll be the next project, because I've got to put the new fuel lines back, or in it, because that's what happened. The fuel lines disintegrated, and you got that filter inside, and once it disintegrates, there's nothing you can do about it. That's a brand new pollen. I've only used it 2 seasons, and I've had it probably 5 years. So, but nice thing about this is you don't need gas. You don't have to worry about that. The nice thing what you do need to do is make sure that the bar, this is where the bar oil goes, is in the top here. So you put the bar, and you can see a little gauge on the side here. But I do notice that it does feed by itself. It will siphon. So I would just put enough in there when you do your job to do that. All right, let's find something to cut real quick, so I can prove that we were successful. I got no wood in there. Doggone it. I don't want to make a mess in here, because I'm gonna eventually cut this headboard up, but that's all right. This will go ahead and do that. Turn my box off of that. Now we'll just go through make sure we put our belt on correctly. We are going in the right direction. It shows you right on here. There you go. See the chain, and then see the little drawing. See how that matches up. That's not the cutting. That's this piece that goes right in here. Okay, that's your draw. All right. Down there. Spin it tight, because the chain cuts on the pull. And as you can see, this is the blade right here. It's freaking It's razor sharp. You do not want to get nailed. And I got a bunch of them that came off that I used for the pollen, excuse me, the pollen, and they're all dull and need to be sharpened. But I don't know. I don't think you really. I know you can buy a home sharpener. So, but here we go, just for the heck of it. Oh yeah. Wow, cuts like a razor, doesn't it? That is sweet. Now that I made a mess all on my freshly swept floor. Wow, that's working great, huh? Okay, and to tension it up. And once it loosens up a little bit, go ahead and you take this and turn it, and you tension it back up. There you go. Alright, we'll get some bar oil in there and that'll do the job. Well, there you go, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. And that is the replacing the standard 12-inch Worx brand blade or bar and the 12-inch chain with an Oregon 14-inch bar and blade. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment. Definitely subscribe. Definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Around the House. I know it works. When you do a new chain, anyway, it's a good idea to do a pre. Here's I'm just using the Johnson brand of bar oil. Because it's really important, because that blade gets hot and it will eventually cook your blade, so it won't say this isn't flexing really well. It should flex really good, and some of them happens that it gets hot in some areas and they won't flex. That's the whole point behind this one's one of them, and then it makes it so it won't cycle through so good. And the nice thing is now it's a 14-inch, and it don't take it's not hard to find it. So I'm just doing a pre unless I put some in already. That's good. There we go. Right through. Can't make a mess. As long as it started. You wouldn't be able to do this with a conventional chainsaw. Well, actually, on a conventional chainsaw, you'd be able to grab the blade and pull it through. Can't do it on this because it's an electric motor. So there we go. All right. let's take this out and spin it real quick. Good. Sweet. Alright, I'm happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And we'll catch you on the next Around the House. Gotta get me a longer sheet now. I'll go buy me all you get now is there you go. That's all we get. Alright. Sweet. Yuck. That stuff is sticky.